Environmental and safety audits are essential for ensuring workplace safety, regulatory compliance, and sustainable operations. Standards like ISO 14001 and OSHA regulations help organizations minimize risks, prevent hazards, and promote environmental responsibility. In this lesson, we'll cover 1. The importance of environmental and safety audits. 2. Key standards, ISO 14001 and OSHA compliance. 3. Focus areas in environmental and safety audits. 4. Best practices for conducting effective audits. By following structured audit procedures, organizations can enhance safety, reduce environmental impact, and maintain compliance. 1. The importance of environmental and safety audits. Ensures employee health and safety, identifies hazards, unsafe practices, and regulatory violations. Minimizes environmental impact, helps companies reduce waste, pollution, and resource consumption. Avoids legal and financial penalties, ensures compliance with local, national, and international regulations. Improves operational efficiency, reduces workplace accidents, equipment failures, and liability risks. 2 key standards, ISO 14001 and OSHA compliance. ISO 14001 Environmental Management System, EMS, focuses on environmental performance, pollution prevention, and regulatory compliance. OSHA, Occupational Safety and Health Administration, ensures safe working conditions through hazard assessments and employee training. Other relevant standards, ISO 45001 Occupational Health and Safety Management System. EPA, Environmental Protection Agency regulations, U.S.-based environmental laws for industries. 3 focus areas in environmental and safety audits. Workplace hazard identification. Assess machine safety, fire risks, and personal protective equipment, PPE compliance. Environmental impact assessment. Evaluate waste management, emissions, and hazardous material handling. Employee training and awareness. Ensure employees receive safety training, emergency drills, and equipment handling instructions. Compliance with legal and industry regulations. Review permits, licenses, and regulatory documentation. 4 best practices for conducting effective audits. Follow a structured audit process. Use ISO 14001 and OSHA checklists for systematic evaluations. Engage cross-functional teams. Involve safety officers, environmental managers, and HR personnel in audits. Adopt digital monitoring tools. Use IoT sensors, automated reporting, and AI-based risk assessments. Implement continuous improvement strategies. Conduct root cause analysis on safety incidents and apply corrective actions. Key takeaways. Environmental and safety audits ensure compliance, protect workers, and reduce environmental impact. ISO 14001 focuses on environmental management, while OSHA ensures workplace safety. Key audit areas include hazard identification, environmental impact, employee training, and legal compliance. Best practices like structured audits, digital tools, and continuous monitoring improve effectiveness. By prioritizing environmental and safety audits, organizations can create safer workplaces, reduce risks, and achieve long-term sustainability. In the next lesson, we'll explore how AI and automation are transforming environmental and safety audits.